So the mysterious Radeon RX 7300 GPU info spotted in IDA 64 extreme release notes. We're going over this. So last August, the rumor mill indicated a possible arrival of RX 7400 and RX 7300 graphics cards. Nice. Potentially distributed through OEM channels going further back during earlier days of RDNA 3. Insiders posted that the true entry-level models were on the way, sitting below the already lowly 7600 RX 7600 model and Team Red's Navi 33 GPU base stack. Around mid-2023, Kepler L2 envisioned humble Navi 33 ultra light with four CUs. No way, with four. Currently, Tech PowerUp's database alludes to a never-released Radeon RX 7500 XT, but AMD's presumably less potent RX 7400 and RX 7300 options were not deemed worthy of similar treatment. Yeah, I mean, they're probably not great. So to the surprise of industry watchdogs, quite fresh IDA 64 Extreme Beta release notes, version 7.65.7415 beta, May 5th, 2025, mentioned AMD Radeon RX 7300 Navi 33 GPU information. Video cards highlighted the discovery was with a quick investigative piece. Did not find any official listings of this mysterious identifier. Two other RDNA 3 era models were present in the latest IDA 64 update and already launched Radeon Pro W7700 Navi 32. Card in 2024's Radeon RX 7800M Navi 32 mobile solution. Despite the upcoming launch of lower-end RDNA 4 graphics cards, Team Red and a couple of its board partners are still pushing out a new Navi 33 GPU-based cards. Most notably, Chinese market-exclusive Radeon RX 7650 GRE custom models. In theory, a large surplus of hot pink bonefish. As awesome GPU dies would require depletion in 2025. This is videocards.com. They're another dope spot for some leaks. $100 watt, 150 watt. I mean, not bad for stream processors. Same with 7600 and 7600 XT. They're probably 8 gigabyte models or lower. And that'd be 18 gigabits per second. They'll be using lower end GDDR6, so 18 gigabits per second, or like 17.8 gigabits per second, roughly. So yeah. Navi 33 ultralight with 4 CUs. Yeah, for some people who don't know what CUs, it's compute units. That's what they're saying there, compute units. It's only 4 of them. So definitely a low-end model, but I don't know if they're going to come out actually with that low of an end of model. Maybe if they do, that'd be good for some people that want to save some money. Maybe these cars would be around $150 to $200. Maybe we'd have to see what those are really like.